Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to change the font for your designs and projects on Canva. So let us jump right into it. Head over to your design on Canva and simply select the text box you would like to change the font of. So let me go with that text box here, or you may alternately click on text here on the left hand side, select one of these fonts listed here, for example, by clicking on add a text box here. After that, position your text box. So let me position it here, for example. Double click on your text and after that type in your text. So let me go with A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, just for the sake of this tutorial. Highlight your text just like this. And after that you may, for example, increase or decrease the font size here by clicking on plus or minus here, or by selecting a custom font size here. So let me go, for example, with 42. After that, highlight your text again, and here left to the font size, you will see the font style. So when you click on it, you will be given access to that list of supported fonts in the Canva library. You may use the search bar here, for example, to look for a specific font, or for example, simply browse through that library below and select the one you would like to go with. So let me go for a really beautiful one like that here, for instance. And as you can see, the new font has been instantaneously applied. And that's actually all to it, guys. You may also upload a custom font, for example, if you created one yourself, or have the licensing rights or the usage rights, for example, to use them also for your projects here, be it personal or commercial on Canva. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. And I'll see you next time on our channel.